Hello traders, you are welcome to my video on the acceleration bands indicator. Okay, if you have ever struggled to determine whether a price move is real or just a fake breakout, then this indicator can give you clear signals to trade with more confidence. In this video, I will break down what the acceleration bands indicator is and how it works. Also going to be looking at how to use it for breakout confirmation and trend trading. We're also going to look at the best ways to combine it with other indicators for stronger signals. And finally, of course, I'm going to show you a couple of examples, right? How to use this indicator. Now make sure you watch until the end, and if you're serious about improving your trading, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new strategy. Now let us just start with the basics first, right? What exactly is the acceleration bands indicator? Now, developed by Price Headley, acceleration bands are volatility based bands that expand and contract with market movement. These bands are similar to Bollinger Bands but are calculated using a different formula that helps identify strong breakouts and trend continuation signals. Now, some key features of this indicator are the upper and the lower bands expand when volatility increases. All right, you will notice that when we have an increase in volatility, like what happened here, when we have an increase in volatility, you're going to notice that the upper and the lower bands will expand, right? And then the price stays above the upper band, suggesting a strong bullish move. Whenever the price is above the upper band, it suggests a strong bullish move. Okay, if you find price above the upper band, suggests a strong bullish move. And then the price dropping below the lower band indicates strong bearish pressure. All right, so this indicator is great for identifying when a move is gaining momentum, so you can enter trades with higher confidence. Now let us just talk about how to use the acceleration bands indicator in trading. Okay, one is for breakout confirmation. One of the most effective ways to use this indicator is to confirm breakouts. When price closes above the upper band, right? Let's look for a good example. Okay, you can see what we had here. Had a quite period of okay, well, this seems more like two phases of consolidation. So price broke out of this declining wedge. Yeah, we had quite a series of triangular patterns around here. We had quite a series of them, series of triangular patterns, and we eventually had a breakout. So, well, price broke out of this declining wedge. Okay, this should be a wedge pattern and not a triangle, because you can see that the breakout happened even before the indicator had the trend lines had the chance to converge. So that's the reason why it's going to be called a wedge. Okay, now we will notice that this acceleration bands indicator, you can see that it was kind of contracting around here, and then we finally had a breakout to the upside. So when price closes above the upper band, you can see price closed above the upper band here compared to what was happening around here. You can see that for yourself. So price closed above the upper band, and that shows that there was strong volume, and it signaled a high probability bullish breakout. And guess what? We had a significant upside. You can see that, right? So on the other hand, if price closes below the lower band, okay, let's look for a good example. If price closes below the lower band, okay, we had that happen here. We had that happen here. If price closes below the lower band, it suggests strong bearish momentum. Now, mind you, in as much as yes, we are seeing good examples, right? We are seeing good examples. It doesn't mean that this indicator is perfect, okay? It is not perfect. It could give false signals, all right? No indicator out there is perfect. So in this example now, perhaps we would have considered entering a sell after price closed below that lower band. If we had entered a sell, then maybe we would have considered setting a stop loss above the swing high. And then for our take profit, we can just wait for price to break above the upper band. That can be our signal for exiting our sell. Then for our buy, this buy that we identified here, we can enter a buy trade right after the close, right after the close above, right after the price closed above the upper band. We could have considered entering a buy trade, and then we could have set our stop loss below the swing low. And for our take profit, we can just wait for when price is going to break below the lower band, and probably that would have been somewhere around here, rather close below, not break below, close below. Or you can target resistance levels for your exit as well. Okay, so using this strategy helps traders to avoid false signals and catch high quality trade setups. Okay, to get even stronger signals, you can actually combine the acceleration bands indicator with other technical tools. For example, you can pair this indicator with the RSI. Yeah, you can pair it with the RSI. The RSI is going to help you to confirm overbought and oversold conditions before entering a trade. You can also decide to pair this indicator with moving averages. Yeah, you can actually combine it with moving averages. Maybe you can use the 50 EMA. For example, you can use the 50 EMA to confirm, trend strength. Yeah, you can use it to confirm trend strength, right? You can use it to confirm the direction of the trend, okay? The overall direction is just an additional confirmation. You can also decide to pair the acceleration bands indicator with the MACD, okay, the moving average convergence divergence, right? The MACD is a great tool to confirm momentum shift when price breaks out of the bands, okay? And then finally, you can also use volume indicators. You can use volume indicators, whatever volume indicator that you prefer. You can actually use volume indicators to confirm to confirm that there is momentum in a particular move, because a breakout with high volume is much more reliable than a breakout with weak participation. All right, so by combining these indicators, traders can get clearer trade signals and reduce the risk of false breakouts. Okay, so that is how you can use the acceleration band indicator to improve your trading. Whether you're trading forex, stocks, or crypto, this tool can give you the insights into identifying strong market moves with greater confidence. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and drop a comment below. Have you used the acceleration bands indicator in your trading? And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more powerful trading strategies, breakdowns, and examples. Until next time, trade smart, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video.